Google is announcing the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 3, and Pixel Buds Pro 2 on August 13th. The new 45W Google charger will be launched alongside the Pixel 9 series. We have a ton of newly leaked promo videos and leaked official cases. We saw marketing materials. The Pixel 9 will come in obsidian, porcelain, rose, and green. The Pixel 9 could offer a 6.3 AQUA display, which is slightly bigger than the 6.2 one of its predecessor, and offer a 120Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 9 have 50-megapixel main camera and 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensors and 10.5 megapixel selfie camera. In terms of performance, Pixel 9 will be powered by the Tensor G4 chipset, has one 3.10 GHz prime core, three 2.6 GHz performance cores, and four 1.95 GHz efficiency cores, with 12 GB of RAM. Pixel 9 Series flat back panel and screen, Pixel 9 Pro matte back and glossy frames, Pixel 9 glossy back and matte frames. Pixel 9 Pro XL is comparing it to the Pixel 9. Now here is the Pixel 9 and Pixel 8 hands-on comparing videos. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. It seems that Google may take a new approach with the Pixel 9 series by launching 3 device models at once. As with the Pixel 8, the Pixel 9 series seems likely to receive 7 years of OS updates, meaning support up to 2031. Standard Pixel 9 could cost between $650 and $700. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.